Welcome to Indy. Today I'm showing how to quickly import your contacts right into Indy. So to get started, just click Import, and here's where you can upload a CSV file from any software that you're using. So if you have a list of contacts that are being stored on Google or Apple or Outlook or Windows Mail or any other software, you can just export your contacts list as a CSV file, and then you can choose File, locate your file, and you can either leave them uncategorized, or you can list whether these are leads or whether they are clients or something else. I'm going to choose clients. And this section is going to help you match your columns to Indy's columns. So if your file already had headers like mine does, you can just click Data has headers. But if you don't have headers, you can just click these boxes and you can match Indy's boxes to the information that's in your columns. I'm going to click Data has headers, and you can see that it automatically matched Indy's boxes to my data. And then I'll just click Next. So now we have our sample clients right here, all imported and ready to go. You're ready to either import more contacts or start managing them in your new workspace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos to make the most out of your Indy experience.